Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the basics quickly. Verify your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable, then restart your J2 to reset transient glitches. Once done, force quit YouTube and reopen it to test playback immediately. If the problem persists, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, and clear cache first. That removes temporary corrupt files. If clearing cache doesn't help, clear app data as the next step. This resets preferences, but often fixes login or playback stalls. Now focus on deeper causes. Test YouTube on both Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network-specific. If one works, troubleshoot the router or carrier. Make sure YouTube and Google Play services are updated. If updates fail, uninstall and reinstall the app to replace corrupted binaries. Disable any VPN or proxy and ensure DNS is set to automatic. Custom DNS or VPNs can block video streams. Also check date/time accuracy, since SSL errors can stop playback. For stubborn cases, boot your J2 into safe mode so only system apps run. If YouTube works there, a third-party app is the culprit, and you should uninstall recent installs. If nothing else fixes it, back up photos and contacts and perform a factory reset that clears deep software corruption. Make sure to sign back into Google and update apps after reset. If problems persist, try YouTube on another device to confirm whether the issue is account or server related before seeking service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.